Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. Today we are talking about a company called Vuzix Smart Glass or VR glasses. So before getting into the details of the company, let's review what I have been covering recently. So as you can see, these are a couple of my videos. Recently, I was talking about crypto stocks, Mara, Riot, and Hive Bitcoin. So let's look into how they are doing crypto stocks today. So these are crypto stocks today. So Bitcoin was trading around $17,000 4 days back. Now it is at $22,000. So went up by almost $5,000. So on Ethereum was trading around $450. Now it's trading $650. This is exactly what I was talking about to you guys for last 1 month when I introduced my videos on Bitcoin, and also this is about video about marathon patent, Mara, and also Riot. So if you're first time here, you have to see this video why I am heavy bullish on Bitcoin mining stocks and why I, instead of investing directly in Bitcoin, I invest in mining stocks for a greater returns. So certainly need to watch this video and this video and also recent video that I took yesterday. Okay. So as I was saying, Bitcoin and Ethereum prices went up almost 30% in last 4 or 5 days. So I don't know whether it'll be 25,000 next or 50,000. But the thing is, you'll get a chance to, it will go down, right? It's not like a standard thing that will keep continuing. So when Bitcoin goes down by 20, 50, 30%, that is the time to buy some of the stocks as well. So as you can see here, Mara went up by 25%, 30% yesterday, went up by another 17% today, and also after hours another 5%. Same Riot went up by 20% yesterday, 6%, another 4%. So these stocks directly trade with the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reason being, these are mining. So if price of the Bitcoin goes, their mining cost is not going to change. So, but they are going to turn a lot of profit. And obviously, Hive blockchain is being another penny stock. It was 40 cents when I first time to cover this, and now it is $1.80, which is close to 500% returns. So that is about how the crypto stocks are doing. Okay, so let's get into Vuzix, the real video of this today. So Vuzix, what do they do? As you can see here, they make VR smart glasses. So they have different models. As you can see here, cost anywhere between a couple of $100 to a couple of $1,000. Okay, so why am I covering this stock today, and what is the importance of this company, and do I think whether uh, what makes sense investing in this stock? Okay, so as you can see here, they these their VR glasses are used in different industries: manufacturing, warehouse, field service, and recently telemedicine. So I will get into the stock details. As you can see, some of the products. So these are different virtual glasses, and you can compare products, and you can see different products and different prices and different specs. Okay, so you can compare and optics, display, what kind of camera, and what kind of video quality, and what kind of data transfer they support. Okay, so before even getting into the stock and performance details, what are these VR glasses or smart glasses? Okay, let's look into a quick video what this really talks about a VR glasses or smart glasses. So this is not Vuzix video, but this is a related video I want to show. So just give you an overview of how the smart glasses are used.
So imagine, you're crawling inside a spacecraft and you're trying to do the work. The last thing you need is to have to carry paper or tablets or laptops into the environment. being able to have the data readily available without having to hold on to anything is significant. I'm Shelley Peterson. My role is Principal Investigator for Augmented and Mixed Reality at Lockheed Martin. We work with Orion, which is NASA's spacecraft that will take astronauts out to the moon and even into deeper space, such as Mars. On the Orion spacecraft, there's 57,000 fasteners. And normally the technicians would have to measure to know where to place those fasteners. With mixed reality, they put on the device, they see the digital version of the fastener hovering over the surface. They know exactly where to place it. When we do this, we save about 90% of the touch labor. We take an 8-hour activity of marking locations, and they finish it in 45 minutes. Or an 8-shift activity they can complete in 6 hours. It also reduces the potential for errors because the instruction is just so clear when they see it overlaid on the structure in front of them. Over the last 2+ years that we've used the HoloLens on the shop floor, we haven't had one error, and that's significant. It's just pretty powerful. It takes what we think of as a laptop or computing to the next level. Feels like magic.
Okay, so this is not Vuzix, but to give you an idea how these VR glasses are used. So it's not just for entertainment; they are actually used in different industries and different purposes. And by the way, this video is based on the Microsoft VR glasses HoloLens, which are pretty expensive, close to $3,000. Okay, so let's look into how the Vuzix glasses are used in different industries. Okay, quickly, few seconds.
The Vuzix M4000 smart glasses are a breakthrough in wearable tech that brings the power of the cloud into your view. With the Vuzix M4000, your business will work smarter, work safer, and be more productive. The M4000 is the next generation of smart glasses with a see-through display that enables a hands-free experience not possible with handheld scanners, wearables, tablets, or smartphones. The unobstructed field of view, versatile mounting, and improved battery options enable a safer way to work.
You get the idea. So work faster, smarter, and safer, and increase productivity. Those are the main reasons, industrial purposes, these glasses are used. And the usage of these glasses have gone up like crazy recently, especially this year with COVID. Okay, so this is one of from show where Vuzix
Done.
was
And the
displayed.
reason I say that is the company has invested a lot of time and effort to make sure that we get smart glasses right? So we have been doing this technology, VR, AR, for over 25 years more. So Vuzix really knows, their products and their sites. But we realize that in order to get a working, usable smart glass, first of all, you want to wear it. Second of all, it has to be comfortable on us. Third of all, it's battery life, right? So this unit right here, if you use them like I am, like they're connected to my phone and to Wi-Fi, and they're barely doing any work, they will last for a whole day. They got notifications coming up. I can answer my phone, see who's calling, and do text calls. Now, if you're doing something more like heavy lifting, like recording video from here that you can actually do, transmitting it over to your phone, or doing like Netflix or video streaming, that the battery life goes down. But I mean, it's a whole day of AR right in front of your eyes.
Nice.
So it's a whole day of VR and AR. Okay, so let's get into the financials of the company. So as company profile says, Vuzix Corporation is engaged in design, manufacture, marketing of augmented reality display devices, also referred to as head-mounted displays, the smart glasses. And augmented reality, its AR wearable display devices are worn like eyeglasses or attached to a head worn mount. So, and they have different series and different price ranges. Okay, so why am I talking about this? Is it really worth buying? Okay, so don't just go and buy stock because you saw the video. Okay, just try to understand first. So if you look at it, a 5 days or even 3 months video chart, chart, or even 1 year chart. Okay, so Vuzix company, let's look into fundamentals first. Okay, so it's not a new company. So as you saw in the video, the company is not a new company. It's 25-year-old company, and this chart shows how it was trading for last 5 years. But if you look at Yahoo Finance, they'll show the whole term. So they were mostly trading around $2 to $11, and they fell to close to dollar in 2020 this year. So technically, they have been not doubling or tripling revenue for last couple of years. Okay, so they're going up and coming down. So that's the reason why the stock has been trading like that. Okay, but recently, the last it's like the volume has been like 3-4 times bigger, and then last 30 days and last 60 days the stock price has been going up like crazy. So, and also this shows your cash flow in income statement. Okay, so let's get into summary again. So it's a $270 million company, and last 1 year it was $1, and now it's $6, so close to 6x. Okay, so a lot of institutions sold this company. Okay, let's look into quickly news, what's happening with the company. Okay, Vuzix reports smart glasses in Europe now compatible with Topcon positioning group's magnet software suite. Okay, so basically, on some major production company using it in construction sites. Okay. Okay. One recent news, the reason for the stock spike is Vuzix shares are trading higher after company announced Plug Power using its M400 smart glasses for remote training and onboarding. Okay, so this is Plug Power is one news. Okay, so and they have a conference on showing augmented reality smart glasses in healthcare. Okay, and also they were being used NASDAQ publicly traded companies. Okay, so this is important. Vuzix receives a follow on smart glass orders from a Pixie Medical to support European commercialization of augmented reality smart glasses, orthopedic surgery. Okay, and Vuzix upgrades to support Zoom and Skype for business. Okay, so PGE Group is deploying Vuzix smart glasses. So if you look at clearly, all this news is released by Vuzix Corporation, obviously, as the update. Okay, so you can see, for example, frontline workers, smart glasses, right? So also remote working, all this, certainly COVID has a huge effect on Vuzix, on orders, how they are doing, and also it has a lot of utility in a lot of other industries. That's the reason why the stock price has been going like that for last 1 month. Okay, so let's look at ratings. It's 9 tip ranks, and then I directly want to go to a couple of things here. Okay, hopefully it loads. Okay, so it's outperform 9 means most of them are green. If you look at analyst ratings, it's moderate buy with a price target of anywhere between $6.50 to $8. So it still has like 50% chance to go up based on analyst ratings, but I really don't follow this much. It goes mainly by momentum and the next quarter results. Okay, so let's look at some of the highlights where Vuzix is being used. Okay, so this is a news. Vuzix selected by Verizon for integration with 5G enabled EMS solution to deliver enhanced medical augmented reality for first responders. If you look in deep, what they are saying is EMS workers, 5G has a lot of utilities. Okay, what Verizon is trying to push is push their 5G network through 5G the smart Vuzix smart glasses. So as soon as the ER tech goes to respond in emergency situation, he wears these glasses. Automatically, the data is transferred into the ER place, and they will immediately guide him how to treat the patients. So that is the reason why they want to show this thing, the usage. So this is what I was talking about, first responders. Okay, and the best AR glasses and smart glasses 2020, Snap, Vuzix, and more. Okay, so there are ton of companies make smart glasses. So a lot of people know Google Glass. So if you look at it, Facebook is Oculus is coming up with their own glasses in 2021, and Amazon has their own glasses, and also best AR smart glasses Vuzix Blade is, that's what we are talking about in the previous page, and Epson. So a lot of companies make these glasses. Okay, and this is the most, I think second, third is Microsoft HoloLens. These are used as I shown in the first initial video. So they are used in very commercial purpose, like satellites and NASA. That's where this is being used right now. And next comes Vuzix, also very good rated of the price. Okay, and Vuzix to provide industry perspective on usage of augmented reality smart glasses. This is what we read recently, and how they have been using in healthcare, and also they are showing for education purposes, used in patient surgeries, ICUs, and emergency rooms in medical centers. Okay, so this is the most important thing I want to tell you. This is the technology, waveguide based optics. So instead of transmitting a visible light, actually they can transmit through the smart glasses infrared light, and that can be used for defense and military purposes, and they can reduce the size of the glass, as well as military security that can be used and easily can be made commercially at low prices with this technology. Okay, so Vuzix Corporation analysts are pretty bullish on the stock after recent results. So they had quarter results, and I think they missed by a little bit. So end of the day, what you need to understand is they don't make too much money. So even after this many years, the revenue for the quarter is 2.8, which means if you take 3, it's around $12 million company per year revenue, which is trading with a $200 million market cap, 10 times. Okay, so but the thing is next year's expectations. So next year they're expecting close to $20 million revenue, and following the latest results, Vuzix 4 analysts are now forecasting revenues of 18.2 million in 2021. So if you compare the current revenue of $11 million to $18 million, that's 96% improvement next 12 months. So if they can make around $19-20 million, that will be, I think, the price of the stock price will move significantly up. Okay, so another I want to point is DZ lens. So there are a lot of companies who are into optical based smart VR lenses, and DZ lens from Samsung is one of them. So let's look into quickly. This is Vuzix 99-page SEC report last year, and what I want to show is the competitors, their patents, and their research and their contracts. Okay, so company overview, I'm not getting to, I already gave the company overview, the market, target markets, security, different products they have been doing on all their products, Blade, AR products, applications for smart glasses. Okay, so this is where they're talking about waveguide optics and design reference kits. That's where they are actually making useful for military and defense purposes. Okay, defense and security products. Okay, so this is where I want to show you. Okay, so Our technologies enable us provide low cost, small form factor, and they have 71 issued US patents and 79 pending patents US and across foreign countries. And also they have 6 registered US trademarks and 52 registered trademarks. So they have a lot of patents, and they can actually, there's a company value through the patents. Okay, so the main important thing is competitors. So in each sector that they make products, they are showing competitors in binocular wearable display products. Who are the companies that are making these products? Okay, for example, Carl Zeiss, Seiko, Epson, Sony, and other, and Oculus, Facebook, HTC, Razer, and many others. A lot of these companies discontinued their efforts, while others have introduced VR viewers themselves. So the thing is, it's not easy to make these products and then sell commercially and make a lot of revenue. That's the reason why exactly the lot of companies go back, they give up. Okay, so and also the current display engines are Lumus, Wave Optics, DigiLens we just saw from Samsung and Microvision Corporation. Okay, so this is about the competition, and this is about Vuzix company itself. Okay, so why am I investing? Because I follow the trend, and the trend has been huge volume of their share, and also a lot of institutional buying, and as well as the price has been going up. Okay, so I don't think it's a 10x company at this point, but there is a huge potential. If they get a one single contract, let's say $100 million or $50 million, I think that will double the stock price or even triple. So for those reasons I'm investing. So but this is a high risk, high reward investment. The stock can go to $3 or can go to $10 in next few months. So careful and research before investing, buying the stock. Hope you like the video. Please click the like button. See you on my next video. Thank you.